You'll use this video to go over activity A in the Gizmo's Phases of the Moon assignment. So question 1 asks you to brainstorm, why do you think we see phases of the moon? After you've answered that, then you're going to run the gizmo, so you'll click play. Okay, and as the moon goes around Earth, notice what the moon looks like on the right side of the gizmo, which is over here. This shows what an observer on the North Pole would see. We're going to turn on Show Area View to see which part of the moon is visible from Earth. Question 3 asks, how does the moon's appearance change as the moon revolves around Earth? So what is happening in this section? What are we able to see on Earth as the moon revolves around the Earth? Question 4 is 2 parts. So look at the overhead view of the moon and Earth. How much of the moon is always lit up or illuminated by the sun? Doesn't mean we'll be able to see it. Just means how much is always getting some sunshine on it, okay? And then B, can we always see the same amount of the illuminated side of the moon from Earth? And then you need to explain your answer, okay? Why or why not? And then finally, question 5, why do we see moon phases? For part B, you need to reset, okay, where you are. So this is the reset button. Then you're going to click play. And you're going to use this right half of the gizmo to complete the diagram that is in your Google Doc. Okay, so you're going to drag those moon phases where they belong and put it in the correct order. And then after you do that, you have a few more questions that it's going to ask you, but I'm not going to go over those with you because they're prediction questions and you need to be able to predict. And so you're going to use this time area down here to make some predictions about when you would expect to see certain phases of the moon. Okay. And just do this over and over again as many times as you need to. Let me know if you have any questions.